I needed a new can opener. My old one just isn't quite cutting it anymore. So I bought this one, PAKITNER. And I'll have the link down in the description. Okay, let's open it up, see what it does. Okay. My cans. Here is the can opener. Yeesh. How do you use it? Why don't we read the directions? Okay, place at the edge, turn. Okay. So it looks like, damn, what are they considering the edge? I guess this is the edge. Okay, we'll see. That's the edge. Okay, it looks like that can is too damaged for this to work on that. Oh, it did. Okay, well, let's keep doing on the edge. Okay, right there. So it goes the opposite way of the other can openers that I have. So let's do it this way. How many 64-year-olds does it take to take the lid off of a can? Okay, I don't know if this is working or not. It's kind of hard to turn. I think this was like $11, $14. Yeah, I don't think it's working. Oh, I feel it going through something. Let's see here. Okay, didn't work on those. Maybe they're too damaged. Let's try a fresh can. Now, the other option could be I'm using it completely wrong. Let's see, here's the handle. And we know that's always a possibility. Okay, if you do it that way, it doesn't tighten. Do it that way, it does tighten. Yeah, I think this one will be on the back. Let's see. These are soft cans, but that's why I paid this much for a can opener. I've gone completely around it. Oh, I did take it off. Okay, so there. Nice, smooth. Let's see if I can get it to, I think what it's doing, it's taking off the lip. Yeah. It just takes off that top lip there. So you could reuse the lid, but is it worth it? So there you go. That's the PAKITNER. Perfect open, ultra sharp, extremely easy to use. Well, okay, so there you are.